my amazing viewers, welcome back to Cook with Grace Kiswe. Good to have you guys. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you've been following me, you're also welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing how to make a cassava cake. The Northerners call it Kosa Rogo. The Igbo call it, or everybody know it as, the Igbo call it Akpu, Akara Akpu. I don't know what the Yoruba call it. So if you don't mind, you can share me or tell me what your tribe call this. Okay, but all the same thing, let's dive in. I went to the mall, get my cassava and jump in, peel it. You know, if you know how to peel cassava, you know now, you know. If you've been in the east or your parents are once a farmer, you should know how to peel cassava. So after peeling it, I wash it. So after washing, we start grating. Yeah, you have to grate. So this time around, once you're grating this cassava, okay, depending on the one you cut or in a particular area you are. So more especially we in the as in, if it's Nigeria, let's say for instance Nigeria now, the cassava is not as watery as this. So this one is kind of a bit watery. So I have to squeeze and bring out the starch a little. I didn't squeeze everything, all the water, so I still make it. There's still little starch in it. So after bringing it out from the bag, okay, I now added my pepper, my onions, salt. That's the ingredients you're using. Then you mix. In this process now, you mix it very well. Make sure that everything blends very well. Then after mixing it properly, the next thing you need to do is to start molding to your desired shape. But this time around, I will be molding like that of the north, because growing up my mama used to do something like this and she used to sell it. So I try to revive that, remember the stuff and bring it back to life, because I grew up learning this from my mama. So it's one of the major thing that is common in the north. Any northerners, they know it. So I don't know about the Igbos, the Yorubas, but it's so common in the north. So and we all know what cassava is. You can use cassava to make gari, you can use cassava to make fufu, you can use cassava to make tapioca or tapioca, I don't know. So cassava is one thing that you can do with everything about cassava. Everything about cassava is edible. Some people use it to make starch, like this one. And the water, if you keep the water, you can use it to make starch that you use and starch your clothes, you see. So to make your clothes firm, yes, that's what they use starch for. So why some do starch, like those Benin, they do starch to swallow. So you see, cassava, with cassava, everything cassava is something you can use throughout, as in it's very useful. Cassava is useful. The skin of the cassava, you feed it to your goats, your cow. You see, everything about cassava is edible. So at the end, look at how it turns out. It was so yummy, so interesting, so delicious. Please give it a try and let me know, and share this video. You will enjoy it. At the end of it, just give it a try. The taste was so yummy. Enjoy this video. Please share, like, and follow me for more interesting video. I love you. Bye.